Just this. Spill my energy. Ta-da!
There he is. The camera breaker. So this is an experience.
Hey, the business. Really feeling good.
Good morning. And it is actually the morning.
Early morning.
Me and Di are in the truck. And it is proper early. Well, 7:15 for us, but we've what time did we start this morning? 6:30? 6:30 we made a start this morning, and we're off to go and pick something new up from somewhere new, which we'll show you when we get there, but should be a bit of fun, shouldn't it, Namo?
Yeah.
Bit different.
The roads will be alright, because we're gonna go across the bridge.
We're crossing the border.
Yeah.
The camera makes it look a little bit brighter than it actually is as well.
It's not.
It's not that bright, and it was actually dark when we left. But we're going to carry on this last, however long this is going to take, journey. I just thought now would be a good time to actually start this video off. Also, it's really bumpy on this road. Right, when we get a bit closer, I'll pick the camera up and you can have a little see of what we're doing. So I'll see you in a moment.
Main entrance. Which will be here, I guess.
Well, as you've seen, we've just turned up to CoPart because we bought something from CoPart.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, we have absolutely no idea what we're doing. So we're going to try and figure this out. See you in a mo. Right, well, we've been here for an amount of time. How long have we been here for, Di? Also, look at Dino Hive. Professional. Yeah, we had to go buy some high vises because apparently you're not allowed to be here without one. So we've had to do that, and also bought the world's most expensive energy drinks. But we've just watched the guy that was next to us. We've just watched that they turn up with these things, massive forks on them, and then they literally just load it onto the bed of your truck. Oh yeah, I think you can see from here, look. They literally load it on your truck for you. Look at this. This is wild. So yeah, that's what they do. They literally just load it onto the back of your truck for you. So this is an experience.
It's actually cool, that is. Can't wait to see the T4 on the fogs bouncing.
Yeah, so hopefully we're going to be able to see this, because that will be quite interesting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave you on the roof and you can have a watch.
Yes.
Well, we'll go around and show you this thing a little bit better when we get back to the workshop, but used to be a white van. It's now wrapped the black. We know that much.
Keys on top. You got it.
Right. We're going to get this thing all strapped up, I think, and get out of there. But yeah, this is what we just bought it. Well, there we go. There's our thing all loaded up and strapped down. We're going to get ourselves off home again. Are you happy?
Yes. Oh, no. I spill my energy.
So, yeah, we're going to leave this. Hopefully you managed to actually catch some of that. I tried my best. Anyway, we're going to get ourselves off. See you back in the workshop. And there we go, back in the workshop. As we haven't seen him yet this morning. Hey John.
Alright.
How are we?
Really feeling good.
Oh. Have you missed us?
No.
So what are you actually doing?
Wheel bearing.
And where's that located?
Just this. No, we done swap the diesel pump in last night. Wheel bearing now. And apparently she's good to go.
So there you go, Mr. John's going to do a wheel bearing.
And have a really good time.
He's going to have a really good time. I'm going to crack on a little bit more with this. There's a few bits and bobs I need to get done on that. Mr. Namo, you've already seen him once today.
Hey, good business.
I think last time we seen this, it didn't look like this.
Yeah. Bit over this, bit over that, and out. And bit of this.
Oh yeah, and a bit of bottom ball joint that didn't fit.
Yeah.
We had a new ball joint that the casting was wrong on it.
And it wasn't mashing all the way down. The thing was sitting in the hub.
So we had to order another set.
Quality control.
Yeah,
People.
lack of quality control. So,
Yeah, so a bit of welding, bit of painting, and you can go back to happy customer.
yay! So we're going to leave Di to do some welding. And we're going to go and have a look at the new van. CoPart wasn't actually that far away. It's about an hour for us. And if you don't know what CoPart is, they sell accident damaged vehicles. As you can see, she's had a nice bit of a smack. She's Raptor black. She was white. She's got a bit of an interior. Looks like a bit of a pull-out bed. Roof slatting on the roof. Someone's had a go. Don't know how much they managed before. Obviously she's had a crash. But as you can see, there's electrics and a pull-out bed and the roof slatting, which I'm going to take and put in my van. Because in my van I'm missing some of this side. So I'm going to be taking that for mine. That is the plan. But she does start and drive. I thought I needed the keys because it was locked, but it's not. But she's all there. She runs, she drives. She's been crashed. Everything is good. We'll end up taking the engine and gearbox and all the goodies out of it. Should be a donor van. Also, I may have left that rear door open. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave you on a little time lapse over here. Try you right. And you can watch Di. Here's just a couple of clips of Di just trimming some panels and getting them to fit a little bit more better before he actually welds them in. I am actually planning on doing a few more of these overview time-lapsey kind of things. I do find them quite interesting, and it is actually quite good to see the process of what goes into what they do. If that does interest you, or there's anything that you'd actually like to see, drop it in the comments just in case it's something I haven't thought about. So what we've learned is Di can't be trusted because he broke this a minute ago, dropped it, and the mount that you're actually sat in broke. Because Dynamo's not very careful. You've had a bit of a time lapse of him doing that, just welding that in, putting the spot welds in and whatnot. I don't actually know because I wasn't there, just taking a shot in the dark. And well, as you can see, the white van that needed a wheel bearing is here, and it's had the wheel bearing done. So yeah, everything going to plan. And the van that I'm working on, she's up in the air. That's because I've got to do brake lines. Need to get this wheel off and replace that brake line. It runs from the caliper and up. That side, as you can already see, that's already been replaced. So I now need to do this one. Oh, brake hoses. That's done. That one's done. New handbrake cable. Whee! And he fell over. So I'm going to set on with this. If I remember, I'll set the camera up and you can have a little watchy see. But you're not watching Di again because I'm not having him break the camera. So, see you in a mo.
Perfect.
Ta-da! I did a flare. And also remember to put that on first. Go me! John taught me.
Ta-da!
I'm now going to bend this tidy to go from there and replace this whole line, which goes up to there. So that's now my job. I'm not quite sure how much of this you're going to see. Wish me luck. There we go, the van's back down on the floor. We went round, bled all the brakes, and now they all work, which is good. And as you can see, everything sort of moved about a bit. That van that was there moved over. This van, which we'll see in the next video, has some cool artwork on it. John's just finishing off that one. All going well. I do want to show you, because unfortunately the camera died last night when I was doing that brake line. But I do want to show you it, because I am pleased with myself. All the way nice and tight to the arm, and then up over the top. I'm actually really pleased with that. Come out lovely. But that's now done. A few more bits and bobs that need to be messed around with on that one, and then she can have a nice clean and polish. So we're going to finish off what we're doing here and get ourselves ready to go home. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give us a nice big thumbs up. But as always, we're going to get gone. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for putting out a bar the mass, and as always, take it easy.